Please double tap.
3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2. Watch your step. Make sure you're closer to the chair. Okay? Come on. Raise this leg up. Oh, I forgot to bring my face forward.
5,
For pulling my
3, 2, 1, stop.
forgot to bring my towel downstairs.
Round 2.
Just gonna get a tissue paper from the kitchen.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, everyone. Make sure you raise this leg up.
Round 3.
Let's go. Raise those hands up. And take it down.
3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, everyone. Whew.
Round 4.
Let's do it again. Same move. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Please tap, tap, tap as you come in. Like it, thumbs up as you come in. We're gonna tap on our knees.
3, 2, 1,
Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, everyone. Woo! How you feeling?
Round 6.
Come on. Let's see it again. Same move.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on. Tap on those knees. Watch your step, mama. Make sure you raise this leg up so that you don't miss your step. Alright? If you want to really feel that burn, you have to come closer to your chair.
4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Good job, mama. Woo.
Round 7.
Let's go under the leg clap.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Come on. Watch your step, mama. Good job, mama. Good job, auntie. Thank you for the thumbs up. Come on. Come on.
5,
4,
3, 2, 1, stop.
Are you feeling it on your hand? Yes.
Round 8.
Come on. You got this, mama. Let's go.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Minutes
Let's
Tabata.
go second set.
Are you ready?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your hands all the way back. Come on. Come on. If you really want to feel that burn, come on. Make sure you move those hands all the way back. Come on.
5,
4,
3, 2, 1, stop.
Good job, mama. Woo-hoo.
Round 2.
Let's do it again. Come on.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on. Move those hands. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woohoo!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
One more here. You can feel it right here when you move your hands all the way back. Okay? Come on.
3, 2,
step, mama. You never feel the burn. Just endure. Okay. Woo. Let's just leg up. Thank you, mama. Push your grass there. Ooh la la. Come on.
Round 4.
Let's go. Raise it up.
3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. Come on. You got this, mama. Watch your step. Come on. You are doing a good job, mama. Come on. Woo. Come on. Come on.
5,
4,
3, 2, 1, stop.
How did I forget my face towel? I thought I brought it down first. Ooh. Now carry your phone with that towel.
3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. Come on. Woo. I need to wipe my face. Thank you for the roses. Much your gracias, mama. I appreciate the love. Come on. Wash your step, mama.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Thank you for joining the farm. Woo-hoo.
Round 6. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on. Come on. Step. Raise your leg up so that you don't miss your step. You don't want nobody falling. Come on.
4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Good job. Come on. Woo.
Round
My
7.
hands on fire. Let's do it again.
3, 2, 1, go.
I think we should do 2 step on. 2 sets of stepping. Since our run is up to round 8. Okay, so that we can do other stuff. Okay, let's do 2 sets of each, okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Woo!
stop.
My hand. Come on.
Round 8.
Let's do the cross. Knee tap.
3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. Thank you for the popular. I appreciate the support. Come on. Should we do 2 or 3?
10,
Let's
9,
stick with 3 or 2.
8,
Let me know in the comment section.
7,
Let's stick with 3 sets or 2 sets. Your opinion is highly appreciated.
1. To Tabata.
Let's stick to 2 or 3.
Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's just stick to our 3. Okay?
Round 1.
3. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Let's just do our 3 sets, okay? Good. Thank you, Miss Prince. Everybody's opinion is highly appreciated.
1, stop.
Okay, yeah? We are one big family. We suggest,
Round 2.
okay? Not just only
3,
decide.
2, 1,
You
go.
get to decide too. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate every one of you. Come on, if you are here for the first time, my name is Dora, aka Dora, the Fitness Explorer. In here we do 1 hour live stream.
4,
9 a.m. is that time.
2, 1,
Feel free
stop.
to follow, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? Alright, I love you.
3, 2, 1,
Let's tap
go.
our knees. Come on. Good job, everyone. This is a good workout for your body, your arm, your leg, your foot part. Every part of your body is involved.
5,
Okay? If you don't,
3, 2,
if you feel like your chair is too high, you can get a little stool. Okay?
Round
Alright.
4.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, mama. Woohoo, how you are feeling?
Round
Come on.
5.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
I appreciate the gift. Thank you all for supporting me. Woohoo! Thank you so much. May God replenish your pocket.
4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Good job, mama. Woo!
Round 6.
Come on. Let's do it again. Woo! I need to wash my face.
1, go.
Come on. Wash your step, mama. Woohoo! I know you're feeling the heat and you're sweating. It's a good sweat. Woohoo! Come on.
5,
4,
3, 2, 1, stop.
good job. Let's go. Arm it up
Round
and down,
7.
up and down. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. Up, take it down. Up, take it down. Up, take it down. Come on. Keep going, mama. Good job, grandma. You are doing a good job, mama. Woohoo! Come on. 4,
3, 2, 1, stop.
good job, everyone. Ooh la la.
Round 8.
Let's do it again.
3, 2, 1, go.
After this, we're going to take a water break. We're done with our active set of 7. Come on.
10,
I'm so proud of every one of you.
9,
Good job.
8,
Good job.
7,
Let's take a nice water break.
5, 4,
We're going to hydrate.
2, 1.
We're doing the sit or stand. Come on.
5, 4,
We're doing one set of
3,
this.
2, 1, stop.
Okay? One set with for the
Round
sit or
2.
stand. You sit and raise those hands up.
3, 2, 1,
Go! Sit up and raise those hands. Sit and raise those hands up. Woo! Good job. Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Good job, mama. Woo!
Round 3.
Let's do it again. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Sit. Hands up. Make sure you're raising those legs up. Okay, your toes. See the way I'm doing mine? Okay. Woohoo!
5,
Come on. Thank you for the thumbs up.
1, stop.
Thank you for the watabi. I appreciate the support.
Round 4.
Woo!
3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. Come on. Good job, mama. Good job, mama. Come on. You got this, mama. Woo! This is the watabi if you can.
5,
Woo.
4, 3, 2,
You
1,
can just
stop.
join in double tap. Thumbs up.
Round 5.
Share it here. Mamma mia.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Good job, everyone. Ooh la la.
Round 6.
I know you're feeling the burn. Just hang it there, mama.
3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. Come on. Come on. You're building your strength level, especially for our seniors. It's a perfect workout. Woohoo! Good job, everyone.
4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Good job, everyone.
Round 7.
Ooh la la. It's hot in there.
3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. Come on. Come on. Woohoo! Come on. Come on. Miss Fab, how you doing, mama?
5, 4,
Okay, Miss Fab.
1, stop.
Woohoo! How you doing, mama?
Round 8.
Thank you for the follow. If you follow today,
3, 2,
Thank you so
1,
much.
go.
Baba.
7,
Woo.
6,